CODRAWGRAPHIC. Ever typed a password and wanted to double check it? In this video, we will build that eye icon toggle using just a few lines of JavaScript. Let's dive in. There is a spelling mistake here. I will correct it now. Next, I create the script.js file and link it with the HTML file. Inside script.js, I begin by writing for the DOM to fully load. I then select all the necessary elements from the form using getElement by ID, including the form itself, input fields like first name, last name, email, font, password, confirm password, and also the eye icons used to toggle password visibility. I also select a few extra elements like the strength bar, strength text, and password feedback section, which all will later help with showing password strength and requirements. I will discuss that in the next video. Now, I add a click event listener to the password eye icon. When click, it calls a function called toggle password visibility and passes the password field and its eye icon as arguments. I do the same for the confirm password field, so users can toggle visibility for both password fields. Define the toggle password visibility function. This function checks if the input type is password. If so, it changes it to text to show the password. It also toggles the eye icon between fa-i and fa-i-slash to visually indicate the change. Great, it's working. So we will see you in the next video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon.